Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing before you leave. Today's video is an exciting one. We are going to be making a DIY hairspray for thickness and growth. If you're looking for how to boost your hair growth rate, grow thicker hair, reduce hair loss, and get healthier hair without breaking the bank, then this video is for you. Keep on watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So our main ingredient is oats, white oats as it's called. Oats have a lot of benefits for healthy hair. It is loaded with various nutrients and vitamins that help prevent hair loss. The vitamin B in oats help to penetrate deep into the scalp and promote hair growth. Oats are rich in zinc, magnesium, iron, and potassium that promote hair growth. The beta-glucan protects and strengthens the hair follicles and makes the hair shinier. It helps to nourish the hair and scalp. So to begin, I added 2 tablespoons of oats into my jar. Oats makes the curly hair more elastic, which helps prevent breakage. It heals and prevents dry and itchy scalp, which leads to hair growth. Guys, please note that you must not use the oats that I used in this video. You must not use the brand that I used in this video. Feel free to use any oats that you may have around you. Oat is oat. What matters is the nutrients embedded in these oats. That's what we are after. So I'm going to be measuring out about 250 ml worth of water in 2 places. That is 500 ml worth of water into the jar. So for the measurement, I'm going to be using my beaker, my glass beaker to do this. I'm going to be measuring about 250 ml worth of water. You can use your tap water, distilled water, or any clean water you may have around you. So I've just poured out 250 ml worth. I'm going to be transferring that into the jar. Next, I'm going to be measuring out another 250 ml worth of water into the jar, making it 500 ml of water. Next, I'm going to be using my glass stirring rod to stir this to combine all the ingredients. Please forget that I'm using glass stirring rod. You can use any spoon you may have around you, any spatula you may have around you to do this. Please ignore that I'm using glass stirring rod. So afterwards, I'm going to cover up the jar. I'm going to be allowing this sit in one corner, cool dry place for 8 hours. Just for this to infuse properly, for us to get all the nutrients that we need in this oat. So after 8 hours, proceed to sieve to get your spray, transfer to a spray bottle, and it's ready for use. No need to use extra oil or leave-in conditioner because this spray already has those ingredients. Trust me, this oat spray is 100% better than rice water. You can quote me anywhere. This spray is packed with loads and loads of nutrients that can nourish your hair and make it grow thicker, faster, and better. And also is going to nourish your scalp and make it less prone to shedding, breakage, dandruff, all scalp issues. And as you know, hair grows out from the scalp. When the scalp is in good condition, hair grows without obstruction. Rice water can damage your hair due to the fact that it has high protein content, but this won't damage your scalp because oats is balanced. It has a balanced nutrients, perfect for your hair growth and health. So I just transferred my oat spray into my applicator bottle and it's ready for application. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week to hydrate your hair or moisturize your hair, after which you can seal in moisture and you are good. You can get all the benefits embedded in this oat by just doing this. This is better than rice water, and trust me, you have no regrets using this. So I'm going to be using that to saturate my cornrows, kind of a moisturizing spray for me. I've been wearing these cornrows for 3 weeks plus now, and as you know, I love cornrows as my best protective style. For those of you that have been with me for long now, you already know this. But if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Dinma Okike. As you already know, I love to wear cornrows a lot. This is the best protective style for me. I believe that it thickens my hair. It helps with my hair's thickness. I so much love it, and I kind of care for my hair a lot while in cornrows by feeding it with herbs and so many nutrients. So after spraying, here is the leftover. I'm going to be storing it in my refrigerator for 5 days. After 5 days, I will discard this and then make a fresh batch. So I would love to use Cantu hair and scalp oil to seal in moisture. Feel free to use any oil made in this channel. So that's it. That's one of the ways that I love to keep my cornrows moisturized. One of the reasons why your protective styles tend to shed a lot of hair is because you don't moisturize while in protective style. But if you care for your hair in protective style, trust me, your hair is not going to shed a lot while taking down. So let me share with you a few benefits of oats for your hair. It prevents hair fall and improves hair growth. It prevents split ends. It helps treat dandruff. Say bye to dandruff with an oatmeal spray. It also soothes dry, itchy scalp. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give me a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe and turn on post notification for future videos. Thank you so much for watching once again. And lastly, please do not forget to share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you once again, and I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.